Every woman, every man, every child deserves a chance from a life free of cancer. We need to have more opportunities. We need to have more resources thrown towards this disease and diagnose it earlier so that our people can live longer. I thank everybody for coming. We have walked for 5 kilometers today. We still have about half to go, and we hope that this message, the massive turnout that we've had, is going to make people, really listen. The stakeholders that matter, it will make them listen. Her Excellency, the First Lady of Imo State, the chairperson of FLAC, has been the walk captain for today, along with the NCS chairman, Alhaji Shehu Diko, who's somewhere. So she's going to give us her own advocacy message that is going to be carried by you. I thank you, our media partners, for everything you're doing today. Okay, Your Excellency.
So we're here today for the Medicaid cancer work. It's the 11 years she's been doing this, and we've come to the finish line. My message today to every man, every woman is early detection saves lives. Check yourself, go for consult checks, support one another, support someone. You can pay for someone to go for a screening test, and let us join hands together to fight this disease called cancer, because cancer has no barrier. So we must join hands together and fight cancer, and together we'll win the fight against cancer. Thank you.
So like she said, together, partnership is key. One of our main partners for this year's work has been Girl Effect, an INGO that is really focused on creating access to health, better health for girls, particularly through HPV vaccination to prevent them from getting cervical cancer. The country director is here with us, and she's going to tell us.
Thank you very much. Please introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is all Nigerians, and indeed all global citizens around the world who took it upon themselves that we can all mobilize to change someone's life or even our lives. And in Nigeria, this effort is led by no less a person than Her Excellency Dr. Zainab Babudu, the founder of Medicaid, as well as we are blessed as a nation that she's the president-elect of the Union for International Cancer Control, supported by the mother of the nation, Mrs. First Lady of the Federal Republic, Senator Oluremi Tinubu. Of course, all of them supported by our father, our leader, the leader under whose great things are happening in Nigeria, profound leader, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And what we saw here from wives of governors, from elders, from young ones, from those in between, is all a statement that the message is resonating, that we can mobilize, we can change lives, including ours, by acts of coming out. Exercise is good, but more than exercise is good. A lot of people bought t-shirts, some contributed in other way. Money that you can afford and spare can change somebody's life. Not even money, sometimes even the word that you can speak to somebody and encourage him or her. So we are indeed very, very pleased and proud that this thing is happening. The chairman of the National Sports Commission, Shehu Diko, as you very well know, is leading this work. So, and it can be better.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Message to all this cancer awareness work. Well, it's a very noble cause. That is why the National Sports Commission aligned with this vision. For my own part, personally, I've been doing this work for the past 10 years since it started. Because it's a very noble work to create the awareness and create the information and to create more support for the cancer activity to make sure that we work away cancer.
So would you be recommending this for all Nigerians as a regular work?
Yeah, definitely. We don't have to make it annual work. It should be our daily routine because it keeps us healthy. And then at the end of the day, it makes sure that all the small issues we have are walk away. So it's kind of a platform that everybody is key into.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Purpose, can we have your full name on camera?
Well, I'm Dr. Yusuf Tamposinu, Minister of State for Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction.
So what's your message today on this cancer awareness walk?
Well, my message today is to Nigerians to recognize that cancer is a reality, and then cancer is not a death sentence. It is also both preventive and curative if detected early. So this is creating awareness, and also it's part of also the agenda of our government of our President Bola Ahmed to make citizens informed about the general welfare and everything. And the government has also gone along the way when I was in the House of Representatives to create a budgetary line for cancer fund